Today we're going to learn about ratios and proportions. Don't worry, I'll explain everything super clearly. We've already covered lectures 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now let's focus on lecture 21 for our final exam preparation. What is a ratio? A ratio is a way to compare two numbers. Imagine you have 2 apples and 3 oranges. The ratio of apples to oranges is written as 1, 2, 3. This means for every 2 apples, there are 3 oranges. Easy example of ratios. Let's say you're making lemonade and the recipe says 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. This is written as a 1:4 ratio. It means for every 1 cup of sugar, you need 4 cups of water. Using ratios to estimate quantities, super easy example. Let's imagine you're making punch. The recipe says 1. For every 3 cups of mango juice, you need 2 cups of apple juice and 1 cup of orange juice. 1. This is a ratio of 3, 2, 1. Now let's say you already have 1.5 liters of orange juice. You want to know how much mango juice and apple juice you need. Step 1. The ratio is 3, 2, 1. For every 3 parts of mango juice, you need 2 parts of apple juice and 1 part of orange juice. 1. Since you have 1.5 liters of orange juice, we can use the ratio to find out how much mango and apple juice you need. Step 2. Mango juice. The ratio of mango juice to orange juice is 3, 1. So if you have 1.5 liters of orange juice, you need 3 times that amount for mango juice. 1. 3x 1.5 equals 4.5 liters of mango juice. Step 3. Apple juice. The ratio of apple juice to orange juice is 2, 1. So, for 1.5 liters of orange juice, you need 2 times that amount for apple juice. 1. 2x 1.5 equals 3 liters of apple juice. Step 4. Total punch now. To make the punch, add all the ingredients. 1. 4.5 liters of mango juice plus 3 liters of apple juice plus 1.5 liters of orange juice equals 9 liters of punch. So, you can make 9 liters of punch using the ratio. Another easy example with punch? Let's try another example. This time the ratio is 1 mango juice, apple juice, orange juice equals 3, 2, 1.5. You have 500 milliliters of orange juice. You want to know how much mango juice and apple juice you need. Step 1. Mango juice. The ratio of mango juice to orange juice is 3, 1.5. So, if you have 500 milliliters of orange juice, you need 1, 3, 1.5. X 500 equal 1,000 milliliters of mango juice. Step 2. Apple juice. The ratio of apple juice to orange juice is 2, 1.5. So, if you have 500 milliliters of orange juice, you need 1, 2, 1.5. X 500 equals 667 milliliters of apple juice. Step 3. Total punch. Now, add all the ingredients together. 1. 1,000 milliliters of mango juice plus 667 milliliters of apple juice plus 500 milliliters of orange juice equals 2167 milliliters of punch. What is a proportion? A proportion is just 2 ratios that are equal. For example, 2, 4, and 1. 2 are proportions because when you divide them, both give the same result. Let's check. 1. 2 divided 4 equals 0. 5. 2. 1 divided 2 equals 0. 5. Since both results are equal, 2, 4 equals 1 divided 2. This is a proportion. Finding the unknown value in a proportion, super easy. Sometimes in proportions, we have an unknown value. For example, example 2. X equals 3, 9. Step 1. Write it as fractions. 1. 2x equals 3/9. Step 2. Cross multiply. This means multiply the numbers diagonally. 1. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2. 3xx equals 3x. Step 3. Now you have 1. 18 equals 3. Step 4. To find x, divide both sides by 3. 1. 18, 3 equals x2, so x equals 6. Quick review. 1. A ratio compares 2 numbers like comparing red balls to blue balls. 2, 3. 2. We used ratios to estimate how much juice we need for punch. 3. A proportion is when 2 ratios are equal, like 2, 4 equals 1 divided 2. 4. We learned how to find the unknown value in a proportion by cross-multiplying. 5. You now know how to make punch and solve proportions with ease. Conclusion: awesome! You've learned the basics of ratios and proportions. These are very important for the final exam, so keep practicing. Review lectures 17, 18, 19, and 20, and come back for the next lesson. You got this!